Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Dave to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. For you to make a transaction from Dave to Cash App, the first thing we need to do here is we need to link our bank. So first things first, open up the Cash App mobile application, and from there tap the profile icon, which is located at the top of the home screen from Cash App. Now from there, you should look for the links bank option, and from there click on link bank. Now from there, what you need to do is look for the option for Dave, and from there just follow the process on linking your bank account or your accounts. Now once you've done that, we're now ready to cash in. Now for you to cash in, first thing you need to do is you need to go back to the home screen of Cash App and click on the Money tab. Now from there, click on Add Cash, and from there enter or choose the amount that you want to cash in. Now from there, just tap Add, and from there use your Touch ID or your PIN to confirm the transaction, and from there you're good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.